Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, here is some good news for you. So Trollstore installer for iOS 17.0, all versions, all builds is now out, and it is called TrollRestore, and you can see the versions which are supported. So it will work on iOS 15.0 through 16.6.1 and 16.7 RC. You can see the build number here, and iOS 17.0, and yes, you can use it on Windows, and it is also supported for Linux and macOS. And in this video we will use the Windows method, and this method, the TrollRestore, is completely free and legit. First of all, you will head to its official GitHub page, as we can see it right here. Then you can go to releases and see it is available for Windows. So simply first of all get this file for Windows. As you can see, I already got it. Now to make it work, you will have to install Python. So get Python from its official website, and when you go to downloads, you will see that you can download it for Windows. Now for this, I already got the Python latest file right here for my Windows PC. Next, you must install iTunes. So get iTunes from the official Apple's website, and please do not get it from the Microsoft Store. If you did install it from the Microsoft Store, please uninstall it and get it from this link to your Windows PC. Now installing iTunes is straightforward. Simply open this file and install iTunes. I already did it. And for Python, simply open this file and make sure that you hit this add python.exe to path. All right, and also check this one. All right, and then hit install now, and then wait for the process to finish. All right, and you can see setup was successful. Now you can close out of it. Now guys, let's talk about the requirements for your device. It should be on the supported versions, of course, and you must install tips. All right, so if tips is not installed, you can simply open App Store and search for tips and install it from here. Also make sure that you temporarily disable Find My iPhone, all right, from your settings. Once done, you are now good to go. Now you can simply open TrollRestore. Please make sure that the device is connected via USB to your PC. This can take some time, and then you will see this prompt to specify which app you want to replace. All right, so I will go with tips. So simply type tips here and press enter. Once you see this message, your device will now reboot. Alright, so once you are back after that reboot, go in, open tips, and you will see that the tips is now the Trollstore helper. Now from here you can install Trollstore. Your device will respring, and now when you go in, you will see Trollstore here on your home screen. Now you can open it and it will install LDAT for you. All right, now go to settings. This is very important. Then from there, install persistence helper. So I will go with tips. All right, now it is complete. You can see it works, and tips is now the persistence helper, and we are at its latest version 2.1 as of now. And you can see everything works without any issues. Now as you can see this prompt here in TrollRestore also, once the process is complete, please make sure if you use it, please turn on Find My iPhone. Now simply press enter to exit on TrollRestore. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.